Hello everyone, and I went out earlier today and I didn't wear makeup on the bottom half of my face, so let me go fix that real fast. Now let's get to it. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today, what are we doing? Oh, I kind of did a declutter of my makeup. A lot of stuff is old and then stuff that I've just finished out and I wanted to get rid of the packaging and everything. So that's what we're doing today. Alrighty, so let's just get to it. I have a bunch of stuff here that's like either really old, or I just know I'm not going to use it anymore, or I've used it and I've enjoyed it and now it's time to let the bottles and packaging go. So let's get started. I'm going to go in like categories. So the first thing I'm going to do is eyeshadows. I bought this one like 2 years ago. It's a really nice neutral palette, and as you can see, I use this dark shimmer a lot. I had a couple of other eyeshadows. Oh, I have some really old ones. I have quite a few in here and some of them are like completely depotted. Others are just, it's a mess. So yeah, I'm trying to clean up a little bit. This one, it's by Ellen Tracy. It's sold at Steinmart. I used to work there, and so I was able to get great discounts. This was originally, the compared price was $18. The price at Steinmart was $9. I actually got this on clearance, so it was $7.44 plus I think like 30% off extra off the clearance price, and then I had 25% off as an employee. That's why I got this palette. I wanted neutrals and I was into makeup, but I wasn't into makeup at the time, and I just wanted to kind of play around. I definitely enjoyed this palette when I had it. I didn't use a whole lot. Like I said, my favorite color was that dark brown shimmer, but just in general, I mean, it's always good to get makeup at a lower cost if you're not really sure what you're even doing. I did enjoy this palette, but it's time to let it go. Like I said, I bought it 2.5 years ago, and one thing I found out, about 6 months ago, because I don't know anything, is if you can see right here, right above where my finger is, it's a little container, and then it says 12M inside the container. And what that means is once you open it up, it's good for 12 months. The next two that I purchased is from CoverGirl. It's their Nudes and Rosy True Naked eyeshadow palettes. And I really like the rosy one, which is why like 4 colors is almost all completely gone, and like this dark shimmer is pretty well used. I ended up getting this, me and a bunch of friends, when I was living in California, we ended up getting together doing like a photo shoot, and I'm like, I had no makeup, so I bought a whole bunch, and then I was the person behind the camera the entire time. And then this one, same thing. There's like 4 completely used shadows that I completely wiped out, and I've just been keeping the other colors in this just because you never know. And again, let's see what this one, does this one have a thing? If it, oh, this one's only, these were only good for 6 months after you open them. Okay, yeah, I used this for probably about 2 years because it was, these were 2 of my favorite palettes. palettes for the longest time. When I was just like, I just want it to be pretty. Now I just want to glam it out, okay? Alrighty, when I wanted to go for color, I think it was basically when I realized that Dollar Tree had makeup. And so I got these LA Colors eyeshadow bold. So you can see it's like all purple, all purples. I hit pan on the white that's in this one, and I really enjoy this because purple is my favorite color, so I was using it quite a bit, and they're not bad. The biggest thing is that they did have quite a bit of fallout, and so I didn't use it as much as I really wanted to. I used it a lot considering, but the fallout, it bothered my eyes a lot, so I ended up not using it as much. And then I have this one, which is the LA Colors Eyeshadow Smoky Palette, and it's a whole bunch of different blues. Again, I wiped out on the white because you gotta have that inner corner. It's beautiful. Alrighty, so that's most of my palettes. I have one more in here, and I'm probably actually going to give this one to my mom because I didn't buy it all that long ago, and it's good for 30 months. She could definitely use it. She might really like it. I'm not sure. It's the Rimmel London Magnifies Blush Edition eyeshadow palette. I just wasn't a huge fan. Some of these colors were really, really light. Like the pigment didn't stay on that long, and then like these dark colors are super duper dark. The main thing I wanted this palette for was the white here, and then it wasn't that great. So yeah, that's going to my mama if she wants it. If not, I'll see if one of my friends want it. I barely use the palette, so. Alrighty, let's go with hair care. And these are ones that have just passed their expiration date. When I got my hair cut back in November of 2018, I wanted to use a whole bunch of products that would lift my hair and make it more full, because I knew when I got my hair cut that it would be a lot thinner than it normally is. Not necessarily thinner, I just had a whole lot less because I have an undercut. You can see on the side here it's shaved up until here. All my hair is right up on top right now. But I heard and looked up like different hair care products, and I ended up finding these Design Me products. I really enjoyed them, but like I used them quite a bit recently, and my hair just was like no. And that's when I kind of looked, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is like over a year past its expiration date. So I'm not really sure when this one expires, but I'm assuming it's around, oh yeah, no, it was hard because there was a tag that was over the expiration date, and it's the same as this one. So a lot of times powder products, it's not a big deal when you go past their expiration date, like with eyeshadows and stuff, because the biggest thing is they may not be as pigmented as they normally are. It might fall easier, like it won't stay on longer, but generally for eyeshadow it's not a huge deal. With hair care products, it's the chemicals in them. Sometimes if they're exposed too long to air, which is why they say once it's open it's good for 12 months. That's why it doesn't have like a designated expiration date like meat does. I'm comparing hair care products to meat. But so like the chemicals, they don't work the way they're supposed to after so long being exposed to air and the rest of the world once it's open. You know, that's basically what they're saying with that. That's a lot of times with any kind of liquids, is when they have expiration dates, it's saying once it's open it has this length of time before the chemicals start breaking apart and they don't work the way they're supposed to. And I think that's what was going on with this, and I just don't want to take the chance. So I'm probably going to maybe not repurchase this one, but I may repurchase this one. I'm debating. I may look for other products. So if you know other products that are similar, this is Design Me Puff Me. It's a volumizing powder. You just kind of see, I still have plenty in here, but I don't really think it's volumizing my hair right now. And then this one is the Power Dry Me, and it's a blow dry like enhancer. You spray it in your hair and it grabs the water, and so when you go to blow dry your hair, it gets rid of the water faster, so you don't have to take so long to blow dry your hair. I wish I knew about this when I had long hair. I had really long hair, like it was past the girls, you know? I wish I had this because my hair always went up into a ponytail. That's the reason why I ended up getting my hair cut and getting this style, is because I wanted to be able to change up my hairstyle a little bit more, wear it down, wear it up, wear it this way, wear it that way. I just couldn't do that with really long hair because literally I washed my hair, I get out. By the time maybe a third or a fourth of my hair was dry, I was tired. My arms were tired, I was tired, and I just let it air dry the rest of the way, and then it looked like crap. So I just put it up in a ponytail, a bun, whatever. So that's why I ended up getting my hair cut, and then I found these products. I'm so glad I bought those products, and I really did enjoy them. There's a lot in there. That's why I didn't use all of it. They are going away. They're going in the trash, but I may purchase them or something similar to them in the very near future. I just have some other random stuff. These are all like throwaway things now because they're either empties or, you know, whatever. This is the Soap and Glory Scrub 'em and Leave 'em body scrub. I really like this one. It was really nice. It was just it felt really good and I really enjoyed it. I used it a whole bunch and it's completely empty. But it smells really good. It smells really good. It was really nice. I still have the body butter. I do enjoy that when I want to be shimmery. That's the only reason why I haven't used the body butter up, is because it's very shimmery. This was my first setting spray. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I really liked it. It was good. It served me well. It's completely empty. It's going in the trash. Now, I do want to try other setting sprays, so like this time I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray and I'm enjoying it. I'm definitely going to try a whole bunch of different ones, so I'm just kind of exploring, but I like to use the products and get real good use out of it before I end up like, I don't want to end up with 24 different setting sprays. Okay, and then I'm throwing the Flor Musk Narcisco Rodriguez for her perfume. I got this as a sample from Sephora when I purchased a whole bunch of items and it was very nice. I liked the fragrance. I ended up using it all very, very quickly. I think I used it to spray my bed pillows because I always like doing that. Just a little bit of fragrance, whether it's Febreze or it's a really nice perfume. It's something, and I like this one. But I'm not a huge perfume person, so I'm probably not going to purchase it. I'll just get samples of different ones at different times. So that's that. I've already repurchased. This is the Belief. It's the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I love this stuff. I really enjoy the Belief products. I have their cleanser. I have the moisturizing balm. I got the bigger one instead of this little one, and then I got the Aqua Balm and I have the eye cream. I just really, really enjoy their products. Alrighty, here's a few from the Allure Beauty Box. I got this one in January and it's the Accor Skin Pure Lip Restoration. I really like this. My lips get super, super dry, so I put this on every single night and it made my lips feel really good. So I enjoyed this. Only two problems I have, but I think this packaging, because it's a tin, I think they said like their regular, this was packaging specifically for the Allure Beauty Box, I think. I'm not 100% sure, don't quote me on that, but I don't like the tin because I couldn't get it open at one point, and so I had to like use tweezers to get in there to pop some air into the packaging because it would not open. I was ready to take a freaking hammer to it because there was still a lot of product in there. There's even still plenty of product in there, but it doesn't feel like the way it used to. And checking the thing, it's only good for 6 months after you open it, since I got it in January, and it was like the beginning of July that it started not feeling like it used to. So that goes to show you it's the chemicals and stuff. I wiped this out and I really kind of like it. I will probably purchase this in the future. This is the Core Skin Balance Toner, and I really like the way this felt. I really like the packaging. It's nice. It's class. This was an A+ for me, and I got it in the Laura Beauty box for April, I believe. I really did enjoy this. I will probably purchase this in the future, but for now, it's going in the trash because it's empty. Alright, the last items that I have here was a package, and it was when I first started getting into makeup, and I was like, I need to take better care of my skin, but I didn't really know what to use, I knew the basics. I knew you should have like a moisturizer, you should have a toner, and I found this little package. It had 5 products in it, but it looks so gross. Ew. It looks really, really gross now. I haven't used these in several months. Oh, wow. Well, that's not cool, because this has a dated expiration date as well as an open expiration date. So it has an open expiration date, so it goes bad after about 6 months. But it also has a regular expiration date, and it also has a manufacturing date. The manufacturing date was in November of 2017. The actual expiration date was November of 2019. I actually purchased this like in December of 2019, but I didn't know things like this expired in that sense. Like, I bought it from Stein Mart, so hey people. Ooh, let me check. No, this didn't have a manufacturing expiration date. This one doesn't have a dated expiration date, it just has the open expiration date. But this one, huh, they all have that? Yeah. So I bought this stuff after it was expired. That's fun. The store that I purchased it from, it was Stein Mart. I got it on clearance. I'll definitely be checking that out. So yeah, if you go to like department stores, discount department stores, stuff like that, especially with skincare, because shadows, it wasn't a big deal. I actually purchased that a long time before I purchased these. But these I purchased in December of 2019, and the dated expiration date was November of 2019. I'm definitely going to give them a heads up because I didn't know that, and I had no idea. Awkward. So that's something that people should know. I'm definitely going to check on that. I'm gonna check on something else. While I'm checking something here real quick, I do want to admit that I was actually in charge of the accessories department at Stein Mart when I purchased this expired product. I was new to the department, but still in charge of it, so it's no excuse. We all make mistakes, and we can only learn from them when they occur. I learned my lesson with this one, for sure. I honestly didn't realize skincare had dated expiration dates. Nonetheless, I'm sorry. It will not happen again, at least not on my watch, and it's something I'll look out for in the future. Okay, I checked the other few items that I had from Stein Mart that were more skincare type items, and they all had the open expiration period, but they didn't have like this one does with the actual written manufacturer expiration date. But yeah, I'll definitely keep that in mind for the future. Alrighty, so that is everything. That's all the stuff that I have. It was a nice little kit. I just wish I had known it was expired before I actually purchased it. Alrighty everybody, so that is the end of the video. Down in the description below, I'll have links to a few videos that I thought of while filming this video, including one that has the body scrub, and there's another one that I was like, I know I'm going to link in the description below, and I can't remember what it was. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because more videos are coming to you, I promise. And I will see you on the next one. You all have a beautiful, healthy day. Bye!